Hi everybody, this is Christy with Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here with a very fast layout for you today. This was for the Victoria Marie Facebook group challenge. It was for the Hump Day challenge, I think 2 weeks ago now. And what it was is you were supposed to create a layout in less than 30 minutes, and I did that, and I was very proud of myself because it normally takes me at least an hour to do a layout, and I'm saying at least. Guys, it can take me up to 3 hours to do a layout. I'm very slow, very particular. So the photo is of my sweet niece Kira, and Sean is holding her, and all you can see of Sean is his chest area and then a little tiny bit of his face in the upper left-hand corner. I know that kind of looks like when it's down where it is, kind of just looks like a corner piece, but that is actually his face. And we went to Victoria to watch my nephews play for their championship football games, and so that's where this was taken in Victoria. And Sean was holding Kira, and I just love this photo. Seriously, maybe my favorite photo I took the entire day. So I wanted to just kind of document Sean as an uncle because he is a daddy and he's all these great things, but a lot of people don't think of him as an uncle. So that's what I wanted to document. You can see me trying to figure out how I want to do this. I put down so much stuff. I tried so many different things. I tried gold. I tried just everything, and not a lot worked. I do end up using, you saw me working with some frames at the beginning, and that is what I do end up going with, is a frame. And I love the way it turned out, actually. It's a very simple layout, but I absolutely love it. It is a scrap lift from something I found on Pinterest, and I will link that in my comments because this is almost an exact scrap lift, guys, and I don't want to take credit for something I didn't do. So I will have that down in the comments so you can have a look to see what hers looked like, or I will just maybe put it in with the pictures afterwards. Okay, so here we go. You're going to see me put down the title. Title is very simply just called Uncle. It didn't need to say much more. Obviously, in my journaling, I say the fact that it's Sean, so I didn't need to write Uncle Sean. I just wrote Uncle. You do see me add that little tiny bit of embellishment above Kira's head, and it's just a simple tab. The word I'm looking for is tab. It's a simple tab that just says smile in black to help tie in with the black letter thickers. I then add a little banner piece, and it's pink, but it kind of matches in with the little strips that I used, and a little butterfly. So that's, besides that frame you just see me put down right now, and I add one more piece. That's all my embellishment. I only added 4 things of embellishment. I cannot believe it. It's as simple as it gets for me. The strips of purple paper, pattern paper that you see are from my stash. I am on a huge kick right now where, except for the background, the main piece of background paper that I choose, everything is coming from my pattern paper, like, stash box, like my scraps, all of it. That's where it's coming from. I don't know how I got into this kick, but I'm doing it, and I really am proud that I'm getting through some of my scraps. Alrighty, so I'm sorry about that. Really fast, my camera dropped and I forgot to edit it out, so I hope that didn't make anyone dizzy. So here you go. That is that little frame. It's a white frame with the little arrows, and then that little mason jar with the purple heart because it kind of tied in with the purple strips. That and the little embellishment above Kira's head, that is all I have. So you're going to see me draw out these lines, and I do it in 2 places. First I do it here, and then I do it up beside Sean's face, or, Sean's side. And let me read the journaling for you if I can find it. It just simply says, there are so many amazing things about Sean that not a lot of people don't know about him. That was a wrong sentence, but that's okay. Being an uncle is one of those things. He is there to help comfort and care for all 6 of his nieces and nephews, and honestly, I'm not even sure he realizes just how great he truly is at it. I'm so proud of this amazing man I love so much. And then on the other side, it just says that this picture was taken in Victoria during their championships and how it was my favorite picture taken. And I add the date, and it was taken in June of 2014. And that is honestly, that's it, guys. That's the layout. There's not a lot to it. Like I said, it was really fast. I think I finished it within 20 minutes. So I was really proud of myself. And you can see that I backed it with a piece of black and white diagonal striped pattern paper to help tie in that last little bit of black, because you always want to do things in 3, of course. And you're just seeing me, I stencil out my writing in a pencil and then I erase it, so you just saw me do that. And then I add a little sequence and I play around with which one I want to use, but in the end I pick a purple one just to kind of help tie everything in. And I know purple's for girls, and this is talking about my husband or hubby, or anyways, that's what I chose. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Super quick and fast, and I'll see everyone soon. Bye!